Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm a tutor at Sky Academy. We are in the topic of financial maths within the Year 11 standard course, and we're looking at budgeting and household expenses, MSF1. So we're going to have a look at running and the maintenance cost of cars. So buying a car outright is not the only cost associated to a car. You then have to factor in the maintenance, so services, fuel, improvements such as new tires, getting a car fine. These are all costs that are associated to a car that are on top of the actual price of the car. So let's have a look at this example. Jules travels 20,000 kilometers yearly in her car. A set of tires costs $640 and they will last Jules for 40,000 kilometers. Find the cost per kilometer, then find the cost per year. So let's do step 1 first. So we have to figure out the cost per kilometer. And so if it costs $640 for 40,000 kilometers, if we divide the two, it will give us for 1 kilometer. So all up, 40,000 kilometers cost $640. So dividing the two, we'll figure out how much 1 kilometer is, and it comes to a total of 0.016. So that's how you figure out per kilometer. You get it down to 1. So 40,000 costs 640. You just got to think, how much will 1 cost? Number 2, the cost per year. So if we know that she travels 20,000 kilometers yearly, and the tires will last her 40,000 kilometers, we got to figure out what the difference is from there to there. And so if it's 20,000 yearly, if she does 40,000 kilometers, that will be twice, 2 years. And so she'll do 40,000 kilometers in 2 years. And so if 2 years equal 40,000 kilometers, then 2 years equal $640, because 40,000 kilometers equals $640, because that's the cost for the tires. And so to figure out the cost for 1 year, we can just divide 640 by 2, and that will give us 320, and that will be the cost for 1 year. So if 2 years cost $640, then 1 year will cost $320. And so that's all it is when you're doing car maintenance. You just have to read the question and figure out what the costs are and answer the questions accordingly. So it could be a list. It could say the maintenance of a car is $60 for oil, $20 for lights, $60 for new tires. What is the total cost? You just add them all together. So you just have to read and see what the question says, and then answer the questions accordingly. But essentially, you're just trying to figure out the cost of the maintenance.